What's up, healthy people? Good to see you here again. Could remember that in our earlier video, the one we had last, we discussed the numerous health benefits of scent leaf. Today, we want to specifically discuss 20 benefits of using scent leaf and the disease conditions that scent leaf can help with, either to cure them or to prevent them. Before we proceed, I have one special request to make. Please subscribe to this channel, like the video, and comment on this video and share it so that you can get it to the hands of others and help them to improve their health conditions with the tips that's found in this channel. And more than that, you will also help me to make this channel to grow. So at the end of the day, we all will benefit. Let's take tip number 1. Scent leaf has anti-inflammatory properties. Scent leaf, as it is commonly known all over the world, has anti-inflammatory characteristics that can help to heal inflammations, and the affected areas can also be healed. This plant, that is scent leaves, aids in the treatment of arthritis also. The fragrance also contains what they call calcium. Of course, we know that calcium aids in the bone density. It helps to improve your bone, it helps to make your bone stronger and healthy, and prevent any problems associated with bones like osteoporosis problem. That takes us to point number 2, which is laxative for cough and phlegm. Scent leaf has the ability to relieve cough in a matter of minutes after using it. So when the scent leaf is crushed and blended and make it sufficient enough, what you need to do, take it as a juice extract in the morning or any other time of the day, but especially it should be used with warm water and stored in a safe place. Drink the therapy daily, and by so doing it would help to lessen or cure your cough over time. Another thing that is very important for those who live in a tropical region and other regions that have mosquito is that, as tip number 3, it helps in malaria fever. Antipyretic chemical found in scent leaf helps to cure malaria. How to use it? The ideal approach to using scent leaves or utilizing it for this therapy is to boil it and drink it as a tea. This will ensure that it works quickly and effectively. Always remember, taking it first thing in the morning will help even better because it will have the circulative effect that is very rapid. That takes us to tip number 4. If you have indigestion, it is good in the treatment of indigestion with just scent leaf. Drinking brewed fragrance of scent leaf as a tea can also help in indigestion problem or issues. Can also help in diarrhea, can help in moles and stomach pains, among other things. The fragrance in scent leaf provides a relaxative and cooling effect on the stomach. These things are working. I have tested them and different ailments, and they have been perfect. For instance, my child, about 4 years, throwing up and at the same time having running stomach. It was too late to seek medication outside home about 1 a.m. due to insecurity. I opened my door, rushed to the garden with my light, pluck scent leaf, a handful of it, get back to the home, crush them, and use water to mix a little and filter them, give it to her to drink. And that was the end of the throwing up and vomiting and the running stomach. She woke up in the morning healthy and went to school and had no problems associated with that again. If you're an adult, you may also do the same thing, or you can mix it with gin. If you take alcohol, you can mix it with gin, filter it, drink it, and the indigestion or constipation will be over. That takes us to tip number 5, bacteria killing. Yes, scent leaves serves as antiseptic. The leaves contain substances that are helpful at killing bacteria. 15 slices of scent leaves should be used, or boil it with 2 cups of water and filter it, put them in a cup and drink it. But if you want it to work very well as antiseptic, then what you need to do is to use it with boiling water. Make sure that the water boils before you filter them and let it cool a little before you drink it. Blood sugar control is another tip. That's number 6 that you can use. This vegetable called scent leaf can help you to avoid cancer and lower your cholesterol. Scent leaf can also lower blood sugar level and, of course, safeguard the pancreatic cells that help to create insulin so that no harm associated with diabetes mellitus will affect it. Particularly, non-insulin patients can benefit also from this. In a random research that was conducted in 1996, the non-insulin dependent diabetic patients that exhibited some significant level of diabetes, St. Leaf were used to reduce it, also reduce their blood sugar level after eating them. Another study conducted with using St. Leaves on mice. We also find out that the ethanol component in the mint in St. Leaf is very effective also in decreasing blood sugar level. And another amazing discovery was that St. Leaf can protect bodily tissue from radiation, from harmful radiation, those radiation that will harm your body. That takes us to tip number 7. Heartburn is relieved by St. Leaf. Heartburn, coughing, feeling of unwell, menstrual discomfort, fever, malaria, respiratory difficulties, constipations, appetite, can be treated by this, and also help in enhancing your appetite. If you have something like nausea and postpartum treatments, it helps in this. It cleanses your body, and of course, it helps in heart boosting, boost your heart. And all of this and much more are benefits of St. Leaf. That takes us to tip number 8. Controlling flies and mosquitoes. If you are living in a tropical region where there are flies and mosquitoes dislike the aromatic scent found in St. Leaf. So all you need to do is to keep your St. Leaves in the pot around your houses, or in your houses rather, in your homes. Put them everywhere in your homes. And these flies and the mosquito will be irritated and find their way out of your home. Isn't that wonderful? St. Leaf also helps to cut down, that is tip number 9. If you want to cut down on nicotine that you are being consumed or you are consumed by you can use St. Leaf. This helps assist in eliminating and repairing the smoke-related harmful effects in your body. St. Leaf must be consumed by smokers. If you're a smoker out there, you have to consume a lot of St. Leaf to lessen the effects on you. Other benefits of St. Leaf include reduction in stress, prevention of diabetes, and kidney stone diseases prevention. St. Leaves also help with the scents, helping you to have laxative environment. And of course, the mint in it is very powerful in this. That is also tip number 10, improve the boil. If you have a boil in your body, any part of your body, St. Leaf can really help to improve the boil. Yes, it may not stop the boil from growing or from developing. All you need to do, or it helps you to do, is to ripen the boil fast. So what you need to do is to crush St. Leaves, mix it with oil, especially red oil is perfect from palm tree. It's perfect. Crush it, mix it with the oil, put the paste on the surface of the boil, and it will quite quickly ripen the boil so that it will be off your skin soon when it gets busted. That takes us to tip number, or health benefit number 11 on how to use St. Leaf. Yes, St. Leaf helps in other aspects, like gastroenteritis is a disease that affects the digestive system. So gastroenteritis is what St. Leaf also tackle. Because St. Leaf has anti-inflammatory properties, it works as even better than aspirin and ibuprofen. Yet, it is much cheaper in comparison, healthier in comparison, and even more rewarding to use. The smell is also non-irritating to the stomach. This is because there are more components in these plants, that is St. Leaf, that can help you to avoid harm in the body. So what are you waiting for? Why not use St. Leaf much more than you have done, if you have done, and if you have not started doing it, now is the time. It's never too late to do what is right. St. Leaf is beneficial to the heart. Everyone wants to protect his heart because you know how important it is. Then you must use St. Leaf, especially for adults, to aid to prevent sickness such as cardiac problems. Fresh St. Leaves provides 33 grams of protein per 100 grams of St. Leaf. And St. Leaf also has magnesium in addition to protein, which help to lower blood cholesterol and improve blood circulation. Blood circulation is one of scent leaf's effective benefits that you can get from using it. It helps to regulate your blood system. That takes us to tip on health benefits number 13. Scent leaf keep your eyes and lip in a good shape. Vitamin A is abundant in scent leaf. Vitamin A, as well as all other vitamins that are related, can help with a variety of eye infections in such as conjunctivitis. Eye calmness can also be another benefit, as well as avoidance of night blindness and other issues that are related to vision. Scent leaf can help to improve them or to cure them. Scent leaf can be used to get rid of foul breath in the mouth. What a wonderful leaf it is. So, make use of this. That takes us to tip number 14. Fragrances for cosmetic. In the industries out there and companies, scent leaf is widely used and have proved to be beneficial in adding to other cosmetics that we are using, and especially so in making essential oils, that is aromatic essential oils. They utilize them, and of course it's working perfectly well. So that means, in essence, when we consume them, it also helps to improve our skins and other part of the body. That takes us to point number 15. Fertility issues. Most people have fertility issues. What do you do? Have fertility issues? Scent leaf is at your disposal. It is not only delicious when eaten with chili sauce and chicken. Those who use them, they know it. When you use it with chicken sauce and so on and so forth, with fish and the rest, you enjoy them all. Those that make pepper soup also enjoy using them. In addition to this, when you use it, scent leaf can provide health benefits for both males and female sexual organs. Scent leaf contains chemicals that can help you to provide premature ejaculation. So if you're having problems with premature ejaculation, use scent leaves. Scent leaves can also help in epigenin funcana, and it also is very powerful. Vaginal content can also help in erections. So if you're having erectile problems, or you're having issues that have to do with premature ejaculation, scent leaf is at their disposal. Make a tear of it and drink it. Slice it in your food and eat it. However you want to consume it for God's sake, and you'll be good. You'll be happy you have done that. Furthermore, scent leaf also is capable of helping to prevent or any disease that has to do with sperm viability. So it will prevent it and make your sperm to be very viable. Of course, and by so doing, it will help to prevent infertility, both in men and both in women. That takes us to tip number 16. It has vitamin A, calcium, phosphorus, and it is abundant in other elements that we have mentioned. Scent leaves is a vegetable, and this particular vegetable is very high in provitamin, especially vitamin A. Of course, many researchers have shown that using it can really help in variety of ailments. So do not be stingy to yourself. Use it today. It will help in calcium issue, phosphorus issue. In fact, with 45 to 70 milligram of it, you can get it from just a 100 gram of scent leaf. Yes, 100 gram of scent leaf phosphorus. So why spend your money on medicine, spend your money on chemicals that damages yourself? In trying to get calcium or phosphorus, take scent leaf and you'll be good to go. That takes us to tip and health use of scent leaf number 17. Scent leaf relieves a sour throat. Oftentimes we have sour throat. So using scent leaf or basil, as some choose to call it, is excellent in the treatment of sour throat. The most basic approach for taking it as a medication in this regard is to dissolve it in hot water or warm it up before drinking it. The painful throat will vanish in no time. That takes us to healthy tip number 18. Women reproductive health is also another aspect of it. Scent leaf is high in what they call annatol, and boron chemicals, which can cause estrogen to be produced in women. The fungus that cause vaginal discharge can also be killed by the use of these agenol chemicals found in scent leaf. Moreover, 6-masterol chemicals found in scent leaf may also aid in, remember, development of eggs in women. So, if you're looking up to having a child or having it difficult to make so, why not make a tea of scent leaf? Why not always add it fresh to your food while eating and see the wonders of nature? That takes us to healthy tip number 19. But before we go to this 19, if you have not done so, please kindly subscribe to this channel, share it with others. You never can tell, you may save life today. Always remember, on the description of each of our videos, we have healthy hacks, we have healthy benefits, we have healthy ebooks, and we have some other things. If you want to lose weight, want to live healthy, want to live longer, want to live and with avoidance of problems that are common or diseases that people are experiencing today, always subscribe to this channel, give you the latest. That takes us to scent leaf benefit number 19. Scent leaf aids in milk production. Oftentimes, women that just put to bed or give birth to a child do not have enough milk to feed their baby, and this gives them a lot of worries. As a result, they turn to buying express milk from humans, goats, cow, and other animals, which are, on the other hand, which are also expensive. Never let that happen to you. If your friends, your wife, your relatives, even your enemy or any other person is having difficulties in this, help him, share this video with him. Help him with this video. Eating of scent leaf, on expressing it or drinking it as tea, will help in milk production if you're having trouble with producing milk smoothly. Take 20 to 25 grams of scent leaves and eat it fresh as vegetable each time. You may slice it and add it to your food each time you want to eat food. Remember, 20 to 25 grams of scent leaves. Slice it, add it to your vegetables and eat it. You have no issues again. Each time you want to eat food, add it until the conditions improve, and so on and so forth. That takes us to the last tips, number 20, but not the least, because when you also listen to it, you'll be happy. Tip number 20 says scent leaf has antifungal properties. Scent leaf can be antifungal for two reasons. The antifungal properties in the extract of scent leaves helps, in obtaining it helps to kill fungi in the body. Of course, it also has the essential oils that is present in scent leaf, which also contain antiseptics and antimicrobial power. With this antimicrobial and antiseptic power, it helps to fight fungi in your body and diminish and destroy them. So we all need scent leaf. However, I will not conclude this video without word of caution. The word of caution is, yes, because of the essential oils in scent leaf, it is used for massaging. The oil is used for massaging of the body. It suits the body. It refreshes the body. They can be used for aromatherapy while doing massaging. That is very good. However, pregnant women, on the other hand, are not allowed to use it because it is thought, yes, unquote, it is thought to cause miscarriage. That is when essential oil derived from it is used for massaging. People are afraid that it may cause miscarriage. So pregnant women are not allowed to use that essential oil for massaging. Essential oil, on the other hand, can be mixed into a variety of medications and the body treatments, which include soap, essential perfumes, body lotions, ointments, and so on and so forth, because of the aromatic oil found in it, and is perfect for our body. That's my video for today. At this juncture, I am sure I have added value to your knowledge. Please kindly subscribe to this channel, like this video, share it to save life, and cut down on medication expenses of others. Remember to remain healthy. See you on the next video. Bye.